Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent or stop notifications from showing on the lock screen on your Android device. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, any other Android-based phone system, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the circular settings with a little gear icon in the center. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to scroll down underneath display and touch. Go ahead and select that. Underneath lock display, select lock screen. And then there should be a privacy button up at the top. Go ahead and select that. So if you want to prevent notifications from showing, select the second option. Otherwise, you can select the first option to show all notification content. So we're going to go ahead and disable it for today's tutorial. So I'm going to select the don't show notifications at all. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.